can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't hold my soul so crack. It can't hold me back.
What up, guys? It's Octane Red 392. We're dropping my car off today at Top Tint to get something done to it, and hopefully by the end of the day it is done. I don't know if you can see my watch. Yeah, there she is, right behind me. She's a real team player. I really can't say enough how much she's helped me with this channel and just doing stuff with the car, keeping me on track. So without her, I couldn't really do all this stuff. I tried doing it, but it's not fun if you don't have a support team, especially your family. So luckily, my wife is enjoying the part that she's doing. So I mean, everybody needs to have somebody that can help them out with the YouTube. And for those that's doing it all by themselves, hey, more power to you, man. But pretty much making this video for the possible install that's gonna happen today. Not 100% sure yet, but also too, just to thank my lovely wife for, you know, starting this journey with me. So later, guys. All right, guys. So just got off work. Just got my wife to drop me back off to my car over here at Savannah Top Tint, and I love it. I love the way they put the black top back on. Pretty much is what the car came with, but there was an issue with it. I had to get it warrantied out, and I was kind of enjoying it without it, just the different look it gave the car. But seeing it on the car, I don't know how I went so long without having it on the car. Also, I got the mirrors wrapped black as well, with a little bit of a different touch to it, so it's not just, oh, they're just black mirrors now on the outside. So Savannah Top Tint did another awesome job on my car, and I'll be showing you guys a walk around in a few seconds. Later.